Firefox has a good reputation for privacy, but it's not the best choice. Either by default it doesn't collect anything apart from some telemetry data, including how many tabs you have open, how many windows, how many web pages you visit, the number and type of extensions, the duration of your browsing sessions, and some technical data on your OS, the version of your browser, the language, and your IP address in their server logs. Okay, so they do collect a lot of data, but it's all anonymized and you can disable all of it in the settings, but still it's on by default, which really sucks. Firefox doesn't block tracking scripts or pixels, but it does block social media trackers, cross-site cookies, crypto miners, and all tracking when you're in incognito mode. Firefox is open source, so you can be reasonably sure that it doesn't collect more than what it tells you. They do say they block fingerprinting, but as you can see it still show my user agent, platform, time zone, canvas, fonts, list of plugins, and my screen properties that makes me unique and recognize over other users on the same platform by websites. You'll need to install extensions like, for example, uBlock Origin to block ads and trackers, although uBlock Origin want your access as well. Still, it would be a caution, and you'll also need to dig deep into the About config page to disable more stuff related to fingerprinting now if you like Firefox, but you don't want the telemetry and you want improved fingerprinting and tracking protection. One approach to complete disable that information: you can disable JavaScript as it disable your fingerprinting, but it is not recommended though in modern sites that needs JavaScript for proper functioning. Let's make a quick look what Firefox give permission to do with your data. So, let's start here. I went to BuzzFeed's website, a site that millions of people visit every day. Seems harmless, right? It's just quizzes, articles, and memes. But behind the scenes, it's a completely different story. Let's break this down. Here are some of the third-party domains that BuzzFeed's website connects to the moment you load the page in your Firefox browser. Connect.facebook.net, Facebook's tracking system. Seed@amazon-adsystem.com, Amazon's advertising system. AAX.amazon-adsystem.com, Amazon's advertising system. SecurePubOds, DoubleClick.net, that's Google's advertising engine. Grid-bidder.crypto.com, GridBidSwitch.net, and a.eads.v. These are part of ad auction networks that sell your data to the highest bidder. Then there's LibreWolf is an open-source, privacy-focused web browser built on Firefox. It's one of the best browsers for balancing privacy and usability. With excellent default privacy settings, LibreWolf also aims to remove all the telemetry, data collection, and annoyances, as well as disabling anti-freedom features like DRM. Well, in case of fingerprinting, LibreWolf is absolutely incredible. It describes user agents and platform though. It is completely randomized and change footprints like content, language, fonts, canvas, time zone, plugins, and width to trick sites and prevent them from tracking you and make less unique over the internet. It blocks trackers, clears cookies on exit, and enforces HTTPS-only mode. The default search engine is DuckDuckGo. It is known to be one of the best privacy-friendly search engines out there. It includes uBlock Origin by default, and it's also hardened against tracking URLs. It is a very good browser that all privacy-minded Firefox users should probably move